Today we will discuss the pH. Our topic is pH. After previously we have discussed about the self-ionization of water. Today we will discuss about the pH. What is pH? So a Danish biochemist Søren Sørensen proposed a convenient method for the expression of a small concentration of H plus and OH minus ions by pH and pOH. pH is for this one, pH is for this one, and pOH is for this one. Now this was proposed by the Søren Sørensen in 1909. The definition of the pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. The negative logarithm of the hydrogen ions concentration called pH. It is the very simple definition. Now the other definition is, you can also define it as the negative logarithm of the molar concentration of H plus ions in aqueous solution. We will little bit discuss about the aqueous solution. That what is aqueous solution? A solution in which water is used as a solvent, in which water is used as a solvent, called aqueous solution. The solution in which water is used as a solvent, the solution in which water is used as a solvent called aqueous solution. Now what is mean by the molar concentration? What is mean by the molar concentration? This will be taken in mole. It will be taken in mole. The value of this one can also be taken in mole. So these brackets show the concentration, while this H plus is the hydrogen ion. Now this is the mathematical expression that mathematically pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. For pure water at 25 degrees centigrade, the concentration of this one is equal to this one value numerically, and this one numerically equal to this one. So when we take the logarithm of this one, so it will become as pH is 7. How the pH is 7? pH is equal to negative log 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7. pH is equal to, this power will come to the coefficient, so it will become as minus 7 log 10, and the log 10 is equal to 1, so this one negative will be positive, it will become plus, and this will become minus. So pH is equal to 7. So the pure pH of water is just equal to 7. If the pH is less than 7, the solutions become acidic. The concentration of H plus ion increases and OH minus will be decreases.